Diagnosing drive shaft and universal joints begins with a road test of the vehicle to confirm the problem. Typically, concerns about drive line vibrations at speed or noise are attributed to the drive shaft when another component is the cause of the problem. When dealing with drive line vibrations, start your diagnosis with an inspection of the engine, transmission, and axle mounts. Worn or broken mounts will cause a vibration that is transmitted throughout the vehicle that mimics a drive shaft vibration. Drive shaft vibrations are most noticeable at speeds above 50 miles per hour when the drive shaft is spinning at its highest RPM. Road test the truck to a speed over 50 miles per hour and then depress the clutch and allow the vehicle to coast down. If the vibration falls off as the truck slows, the problem is with the drive shaft or universal joints. Drive shaft should be checked for runout in the center of the shaft. Shafts with excessive runout can be balanced by positioning a hose clamp at the low point. If a hose clamp does not eliminate the vibration, the shaft will have to be sent out to be balanced. If the vehicle history shows that a two-piece drive shaft has been previously removed during a repair, check the drive shaft phasing. Shafts that are out of phase will cause a driveline vibration. If you're diagnosing a squeaking or clanging noise at low speeds, suspect a worn or dry U-joint. Worn U-joints will bang or clang as the torque load is applied to the joint as the clutch is released. Dry U-joints will have a high-pitched squeak that gets louder as drive shaft speed increases. When inspecting U-joints, look for signs of cracking, galling, or pitting that can lead to U-joint failure. When replacing U-joints, always scribe the position of the drive shaft to the yoke to ensure proper drive shaft phasing upon reinstallation. As with the U-joint, the center support bearings will cause a noise at speed. The center support bearing will usually growl or hum if it runs dry of lubricant. The center support bearing uses a sealed lubricant and must be replaced if bad. Always use the original shims in the same locations when replacing a center support bearing as they affect the driveline angles. Driveline angles are measured with an inclinometer. Driveline angles are measured front to rear with the vehicle on a level surface and tires properly inflated. They should be done with the vehicle loaded and unloaded.